so great to see over 40 teams from across the industry out here today on the water raising money for our work.
Well, this is a fantastic event to be involved with, raising money for a very worthy charity, for Crash.
This is by far our favourite event of the year. It's a great team building experience.
Doing this for a number of years now. Great fun. We got the weather.
We're looking forward to our next race, and again, we'll do more of these in the future. I think next year we'll probably get 2 boats because it was so much fun.
Fingers crossed we go for the win. Woo!